Hello everyone, welcome to TechHawk. In this video I am going to show you how to enable the read receipt options in Outlook. That means if the receiver gets the email and viewed the email, I will get a notification. So there are two options actually to enable this feature. So the first one is actually when I send an email to any recipient, I can enable that options for that email only. For example, now I am sending one email. So from the option, I can request a delivery receipt and I can also request a read receipt. So this is actually for this email only. So if I send this email to that recipient, I will only get the read receipt only for this email. But there is another options. So I am going to file, then options, then from mail I have to scroll down and there is one options named tracking. So if I delivery and read receipts help provide confirmation that messages are successfully received. Not all email servers and applications support this email received. So if I enable this delivery receipt and read receipt option, then now my option is always send a read receipt. That means if I enable this for all email, I will get the notification if the receivers has viewed it. And there is another option, never send a read receipt, and the final option is ask each time whether to send a read receipt or not. That means when you send an email, you will be asked if you want read receipt for this or not. Now I am clicking always send a read receipt here. So if I click OK, now for any email I will receive the notification if the receiver has viewed it or not. Well, there is one thing to be mentioned, that the receiver, or after reading the email, they will be asked if they want to send that notification to the sender. Sometimes if the receiver said no, he will not allow to send an email, then the sender might not get that notification. So I think this might be helpful for some of you. Thanks for watching.